Welcome back. I'm Hemant Batra. I was a law firm founder who built practices across jurisdictions, and now a legal futurist watching one uncomfortable truth play out in the real time. The future of law will not be decided by seniority, no more. It will be decided by technology fluency. Remember that. Today's episode is for young lawyers, students, associates, first generation professionals, anyone who wants to matter in 2026 and beyond. The topic is simple, but I would say it is ruthless as well. 2026, the three technologies every young lawyer must master. Not 5, not 10, 3. Miss these and you will struggle. Own these and you will compound faster than your peers. Yes. So let's discuss the first technology. AI-powered legal intelligence. Let's get this out of the way. AI is not replacing lawyers. It is replacing slow lawyers. By 2026, global studies estimate that 35 to 45% of routine legal work will be handled by AI-assisted systems. Research, first drafts, contract review, due diligence summaries, risk spotting. Yes, what used to take juniors 8 hours now takes 20 minutes with the right tech tools. Here is the brutal statistic. Lawyers using AI tools today report 30 to 50% faster turnaround times and higher accuracy in issue spotting. Firms notice this immediately. In 2026, the real question will not be, do you know the law? The real question would be, how fast can you apply it intelligently? Young lawyers must learn prompting and quizzing legal AI, verifying AI outputs, using AI for research, drafting, comparison and risk flags. AI will become your thinking exoskeleton. Those who treat it like cheating will lose. Those who treat it like, let's say, leverage will rise and grow. Second technology, contract lifecycle management and legal operations. Tech tools. Here is something law schools don't teach, but clients care deeply about. Contracts. Contracts are no longer documents, they are data assets. By 2026, over 70% of corporate legal departments globally are expected to use contract lifecycle management platforms. Remember that. That means every contract is tracked, analyzed, measured, and audited. Young lawyers who understand contract workflows, clause standardization, risk scoring, obligation tracking, turnaround analytics will be more valuable than those who only draft or who are good draftsmen. Why? Because businesses don't want pretty contracts. They want predictable outcomes. If you can tell a GC, a general counsel, how long contracts take, where bottlenecks occur, which clauses, let's say, create disputes, which templates reduce risk, you stop being a cost center. You will not be looked at as a cost center. You become a business enabler. In 2026, I foresee the smartest young lawyers will speak two languages, law and process. Third and final technology for 2026 is going to be data literacy and legal analytics. This one separates future leaders from everyone else. Law is becoming measurable. By 2026, firms and in-house teams will increasingly track case outcomes, litigation timelines, judge tendencies, regulatory risk patterns, cost versus success ratios. Young lawyers who understand legal data analytics will dominate strategy discussions. Let me be blunt here. The lawyers who says it depends without data will lose credibility. The lawyer who says based on patterns, outcomes, and risk profitability will lead. You don't need to become a data scientist, but you must understand dashboards, trend analysis, risk matrix, outcome prediction logic, because the future lawyer is not just an advisor, no more. They are a decision support system. Why these three technologies which I discussed matter more than everything else? Let me connect the dots for you. AI gives you speed and leverage. Legal operations tools give you scale and structure. Data literacy gives you authority and foresight. So together, they transform you from a task executor into a strategic professional. So I believe in 2026, firms will not promote the hardest working junior. They will promote the most impactful one. And impact will be measured in time saved, risk reduced, revenue protected, insight delivered. A hard truth for young lawyers. Degrees won't save you. Pedigree won't save you. Long hours won't save you. Adaptability will. Adaptability will. The best young lawyers I see today are not louder. They are sharper. Sharper from here. Faster, more curious, more technical. They don't ask, is this my job? They ask, how can this be done better, faster, smarter? What you should do starting today. 3 practical steps. First, start using AI responsibly for research and drafting. Learn how to question it, not worship it. Second, familiarize yourself with CLM tools, compliance platforms, and legal ops workflows. Even demos and free versions matter in this. Third, build basic data comfort. Learn how outcomes, metrics, and dashboards work in legal teams. You don't need permission. You need initiative. In 2026, the legal profession will still reward intelligence, but it will punish ignorance of technology. So you have to be intelligent and technocrat. Young lawyers who embrace these three technologies which I just mentioned will not just survive, they will outpace, out-earn, outgrow their peers. The future is not coming. It's already interviewing you. Remember that. Thank you, and see you again with another set of issues, matters, and discussion. Thank you. Bye, and God bless.